Hey there and welcome back to the Tutorial Lab. Today, we're diving into the top 5 most common issues on Facebook Marketplace and, most importantly, how you can fix them, quick and easy. Whether you're having trouble posting an item, responding to buyers, or something else entirely, stick around and we'll get you sorted. Problem number 1, unable to post an item. Have you ever filled in all the details for your listing, clicked post, and nothing happened? Or worse, you get an error message. Here's how to fix it. First, make sure you're not violating any Facebook Marketplace policies. Certain items like weapons, animals, or counterfeit goods are prohibited. Second, clear your browser's cache or reinstall the Facebook app if you're on mobile. And finally, if that doesn't work, switch browsers or try posting from a different device. Sometimes it's just a glitch. Problem number 2, messages not sending or receiving. This can be a huge headache, especially when you're trying to close a sale. Here's how to fix it. First, check if you have a stable internet connection. If everything looks good, make sure your app or browser is up to date. Outdated versions often cause messaging issues. Another quick fix is logging out and back in again. This resets your connection to Facebook servers. If it still doesn't work, try disabling any third-party ad blockers or security software that might be interfering. Next up, number 3, listings disappearing or not showing up. You've worked hard to create a great listing, but it's nowhere to be seen. Super frustrating, right? This can happen due to Facebook's automatic review system. If your listing violates any rules, it may be taken down without notice. Here's how to fix it. You can appeal the decision by going to your support inbox. If no violation has occurred, clearing your browser cache or reinstalling the app may help restore your listing. Let's talk payment issues. Sometimes you'll find that buyers can't send payment or you can't receive funds after a sale. Here's how to fix it. First off, make sure you and the buyer are both using a Facebook-approved payment method, such as PayPal or Facebook Pay. If that's all good, double-check that your account is verified and has no holds or restrictions. Still having problems? Try switching the payment method or reach out to Facebook support for assistance with payment troubleshooting. Finally, we've got banned or restricted accounts. Facebook can restrict your marketplace access if it detects unusual activity or suspects that you've broken its policies. Here's how to fix it. The first step is to appeal the restriction by following the prompts in the warning message. Explain the situation clearly, especially if it's a mistake. Remember that it can take a few days for Facebook to review your case. To avoid this in the future, always review Facebook's marketplace policies and avoid practices like posting duplicate listings, which could trigger their system. So there you have it, the top 5 common Facebook Marketplace issues and how you can fix them. I hope this helped you get back on track and selling with ease. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful and hit that subscribe button for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. If you're still facing issues, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help. See you next time on the Tutorial Lab.